Unlock your coding potential by seamlessly integrating Deepseek R1 into your Cursor IDE for an iPod development revolution. First, ensure you have Cursor installed, and open this powerful native code editor is your gateway to advanced coding assistance. Navigate to your Cursor settings. You'll find a dedicated section for AI integrations. Click on this to access the model configuration. Within the AI integrations, locate the model selection drop-down from the available options. Choose Deepseek R1. This tells Cursor to leverage its capabilities for your coding tasks. Once Deepseek R1 is selected, you're ready to harness its power. You can now directly interact with the AI through Cursor's chat interface. Start typing your code and observe as Deepseek R1 intelligently provides context-aware code completions and suggestions, helping you write code faster and more accurately. Need a new function or a complex algorithm? Simply describe your requirement in the chat, and Deepseek R1 can generate the relevant code for you directly within your editor, drastically reducing development time. By integrating Deepseek R1 with Cursor, you're not just getting a code editor. You're gaining an intelligent coding partner, transforming your workflow into a more efficient and productive experience. And that's how you elevate your coding with Deepseek R1 in Cursor.